Hello everyone, welcome again. First I make my eyebrow by BB eyebrow palette. If you want to know how you make perfect eyebrow, go to my channel and watch my previous videos. Next I apply concealer and blend it very well. And I fix this concealer face powder. And then my eyebrow and my nose then yet. Next I contour my nose. I use the palette, the name is Christine Face Contour Palette. Now I pick this light brown color and blend it my outer corner eyes very well. Next I took this blue color and blend it very well on my both eyes. Blend, blend, blend. And now I take this orange color and blend it on my upper lid line. Blend, blend. After the applying I take this yellow eyeshadow and blend it on my inner corner. And then I blended this all colors on circular motion. And next I put some glitter on my eyes. Next my favorite part, you see. A perfect eyeliner. As you can see. It's so easy way to learn a perfect eyeliner if you watch my video. And you can easily draw a perfect eyeliner. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And always share my videos your friends, your relatives and your social media account. And then I blended all colors on my lower lash line. As you can see, I apply a yellow color, dark blue color and a orange color, as well as I apply all these color on my lower lash line and blend it very well. And then I wear the eyelashes. As you can see, I love this eyelashes. After the wearing eyelashes I apply the highlighter on my nose area or brow bone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.
तो ज़िंदगी में ना प्यार बहुत बार
Bye-bye.
होता है, पर सबसे शिद्दत वाला प्यार सिर्फ उस काम से होता है जो हम खुद शुरू करते हैं, क्योंकि उसके लिए असली जिगर चाहिए। अक्सर इश्क और इज्जत कभी मिल नहीं पाते, पर उस मोड़ पे ज़रूर मिल जाते जहाँ की गलियों की दास्तां हम खुद लिखते हैं। जिस काम में रात को सुबह मान लिया, सबके खिलाफ जाके उसे चाहा, जिसे थक कर भी सुकून पाया, पैसों से ज़्यादा जिसने जुनून दिया, वो ख्वाहिश जो सपना बन गया और सपना जिसने काम दिलाया। ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है?